In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background color on your Instagram story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, once you are on Instagram, tap on plus icon and select story, or just swipe out to open up story camera. And now there at the left, tap on create to start creating your stories. And now at the bottom right, you can tap on that circle to switch between different gradient presets. And if you find one you like, you can tap there on record button, and now you can still switch the gradient color tapping there on that circle at the top. And now you can continue creating your story. You can add text here or some stickers, and after that share your story as you normally do. Make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe.